Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you accept Google Pay in your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept Google Pay in LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses in LearnWorlds, you know that the more payment options you have available for your customers can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your Stripe account to your LearnWorlds account. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already connected your Stripe account. So in order to accept Google Pay, what you're going to do is on this left menu, you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop up, and you want to click on this button here, financial. It looks like a $sign. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another drop down menu, and you want to click on this button here, payment gateway. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options, and you want to click on the Stripe logo. Okay, so here are the Stripe options. So you do need to make sure that this Stripe payments is activated. You can see mine is off. So check this is on. Okay, now you're going to see a turquoise check mark here next to the Stripe logo. And now you're going to scroll down until you see Google Pay. Okay, so here is the Google Pay logo. You can see that it's off. Make sure that's checked on. Okay, so now I can accept Google Pay in my LearnWorlds account. So my students will have the option to go ahead and use their Google Pay. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your LearnWorlds to accept Google Pay, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.